Hello, my name is Scott Cohen from James David Custom Homes. I'm the client liaison for James David, which is a custom builder. In this business, we have lots of different challenges as we are on constraints due to time, climate conditions, and a variety of other things. We lean on our partners a tremendous amount in order to be successful at the end of the day. One of our key partners is Orange County Restoration. We have developed an amazing relationship with them as a result of being in a handful of difficult situations. What I can tell you is that there's nothing more important than a good partnership, because ultimately at the end of the day, partners build homes, not just general contractors. With that said, every single time we were in a difficult situation with a handful of our customers, I was able to reach out to Orange County Restoration, one of our critical key partners, and literally have somebody on the job site within hours to turn a problem that could have been tens of thousands of dollars into a problem of hundreds of dollars. Not only did it save us, James David, a significant amount of money, it also just made the entire process and the cleanup a lot easier and looked a lot better in the eyes of the customer. So again, as a builder, we build in concert with many partners, and I'd just like to tell you that Orange County Restoration is an amazing partner and a great company that does amazing work.